Hey y'all, Krishanda here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 12-inch spring twist crochet hair. The hair I used is Shake and Go's 12-inch Freetress Spring Twist crochet hair in the color number 4. There are 20 strands per pack, and I used 6 packs for a total of 120 twists. Here's the loop. This is an up-close look at one of the twists. This hair had just the right amount of frizz. Really, all you need for this style is the latch hook, but if you're going to be braiding your own hair, you're going to need a few more tools, like a comb for parting and one for detangling, something to keep your hair out of the way, and needle, thread, and scissors if you're going to be sewing your hair up. My sister braided my hair up. I only told her how I wanted the front, which was to try the zigzag parts, and she came up with something for the back. She joined 2 braids to make one a few times and then braided one to the left, the next one to the right, and so on. She also sewed it up for me, but I do have a video on how to sew up your long hair, and I'll be sure to link it. This was the beginning of me figuring out the best braid pattern for long hair. Y'all see how flat this is? This is what you want. Oh yeah, so I have 10 braids in the front, and yeah, she did what she did in the back, so. Alright, so I inserted the latch hook pointing down so that the knot would be on the bottom of the braid. If you were to insert it going up, the knot would be on top of the braid. So it's really up to you and how you want to do it. This clip is in real time, and this is my second crochet style. It's still a little tricky trying to get the hand placement right and getting the hair onto the hook. In the front, I spaced the twist 1 finger width apart. To tighten the twist, I didn't just pull on the twist. You want to keep the fingers of your opposite hand at the base of your braid, which is going to stop you from tugging on your real hair. The twists that were extra frizzy or janky, I put those in the back. I was looking all over trying to decide on my next crochet style, which are these twists, and I came across one of Cunning Beauty's videos, and I was like, yes, those are it. So I got them, and they were definitely a good choice. I'll be sure to link her video. This is 1 pack. This is 2 packs. When my braid started getting really thick, I went through the braid instead of under it. Thank you, Beauty Can Braid. The only thing I would do differently in the front is go straight through the braid instead of through such a small piece on top, because instead of it laying flat, it was kind of sticking up a little bit. I always do side parts, and this is where my main part will be. I think I'll put them a little closer as I keep trying different twist and braid styles, only in the main part, but I still loved how it turned out. I used 3 packs just for the front. Moving on to the back, the braids are pretty chunky, so I went through them instead of under. I did not plan on ever putting all of my hair up into a ponytail, only doing half up, half down styles. So as long as you couldn't see my braids, I was good. If I did decide to put them all into a ponytail, I just use a headband. Here's what I mean when I say go through the braid and not under it. I spaced the twists in the back about 2 finger widths apart. This is 5 packs. Y'all, I had to strategically place that 6th pack of hair. Those last 20 twists had to like fill in the gaps in the back right here at the top to make sure that you couldn't see my braids, like strategic. It ended up turning out great, and we're done. Here's my main part. Here I'm just giving y'all a better look at the spacing of my braids and what it looks like in between each of the parts. I have the 2 anchor braids, so this is what it would look like up in a ponytail. So this is inside the back. Nobody ever shows y'all how janky it looks under there, just the finished product. But that doesn't even matter because nobody sees the inside. You just want to make sure that you have a flat foundation so that the finished product does not look bulky. This is what my hair looks like pulled back. For reference, I'm 5 feet and this is where the 12-inch twists fall on me. Here are the ends of the twists. They look great. One thing I will say is that if you mess up crocheting a twist in, your loop may get ruined and you cannot fix it. You can still use it, but I would suggest putting them in the middle. Here's an up close look at the twist and the amount of frizz that they have. Overall, these twists were so bomb, y'all. I would definitely reuse and repurchase these. If you want to get a little fancy with some hair jewelry, this is what they look like, and you'll just add them wherever you want. I bought some hair rings too, but I really wasn't feeling those. Let me know your honest thoughts in the comment section below. I really want to say thank you so much for watching, and especially if you stayed until the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.